everyone, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today, I'm going to explain Beadle clothing reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the beautiful and attractive homepage of this website, and this is an online store that offers clothing items and related products including tops, pants, jumpsuits, robes, launches, dresses, etc. And you can also take a look at the prices of these offerings, which are too good to be true. Now guys, let's talk about the payment information. So the modes of payment available on this website are American Express, Visa, debit card, Mastrio, MasterCard, JCB, etc. Now let's talk about shipping policy. So guys, in this section you'll find shipping information, and customers will get their product within 25 business days. The postal and express shipping is 25 business days and free shipping for order over $79. So this is an amazing thing regarding this website. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So let's get started. So guys, the first factor is the website is looking professional with a secure HTTPS connection, which means it is safe and secure for payment aspects. Now coming to the domain information, the domain name was created on 19th of July 2020 and it is 1 month 18 days old, which is a good sign guys, but we can't say this is a legit website on based off domain factor because this is a newly launched website, and apart from that the website may not have too much traffic, as I have already discussed about the domain creation date. In addition with this guys, Beadle.com has no mail server. This is a bad sign again and shows that the website may be suspicious as well. Now let's talk about the website's information. So let's take a look at the About Us section guys. So guys, here you'll find the About Us information, but I'm not able to view the information related to business owner name, photos and brand connection. Apart from that guys, no information is available regarding the offerings of this website as well as the prices. So you'll find an email address over here, which is beadle@needtomail.com. Guys, the website is not maintained correctly and does not look appealing. Now let's talk about contact us information, because we know that contact us information is an important factor that defines legitimacy of a website. So guys, here you'll find a query form, but I'm not able to find contact info. So no contact info is available on this page, which is a bad sign guys and shows that the website may be suspicious. Now let's take a look at the social media presence. So here you'll find social media icons of Facebook and Instagram. The site has a social media presence on Facebook and Instagram, but guys, the website has a tiny following base, which is a good sign. Now let's talk about a return and exchange policy. So the returns are acceptable within 30 days from the date of delivered item. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product, because it will give benefit to other customers as well. Now guys, let's talk about the customer reviews. So, according to our research and study, we found some positive reviews and some negative reviews. Some users were critical of this website, and some reports also called this website likely to be fraudulent. So guys, this is I think one of the biggest drawbacks of this website, and overall the reviews are mixed with positive and negative responses. Now, talking about the content and quality, guys, it does not seem really very much authentic. And about cons of this website, there is a possibility that this site could be a scam and sells unauthentic items. So guys, in the final conclusion, Beetle claims to have been operating for a few months, but we cannot for sure, but there is a small risk associated with purchasing their products. So make a wise decision, guys. Do more research before making any online purchase. And if you have ever scammed, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment about your thought, guys. We read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a good day.